That was fast. Uh-oh. Lexi. Oh, they both didn't know. What a few scucks. Yeah, that's what you get. Gee, better bring my scooter back.
See, I told you! My instincts are solid.
You're right. Now you know.
I wish I didn't.
Really?
How do you even know how to use that?
I work in surveillance.
Surveillance? Can you spell surveillance?
You know, spy side chick?
Do you even have anyone?
I'm focused on my work.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Update status time. Watch this, everyone's gonna slide into my DMs.
I know what that's like. My DMs pop off all the time. Bale said popcorn.